Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to trade altcoins on Kraken in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you're going to navigate to the trading page by clicking on the trade tab. And next, you're going to select the altcoin market that you wish to trade, such as, the Ethereum to to euros, or the Litecoin US dollars, whatever it is. Just go ahead and select the altcoin market. And then you're going to enter the amount of altcoins that you wish to buy or sell. And from there, you're going to select the order type. So you can select the order type, such as, market order or a limit order, whatever it is that you want to use. Go ahead and select the order type here. And then confirm the order by clicking on the buy or sell button. From there, just wait for the order to be executed by Kraken, and verify the transactions by checking your Kraken account balance and transaction history to make sure that it has been processed successfully. And from there, you can just withdraw your funds to your bank account or to your cryptocurrency wallet and enjoy. That's pretty much it on how to trade altcoin on Kraken in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.